I got Jamal's kitchen. We're gonna take this to Jamal's kitchen special red wrap. Will be on the market soon for you guys. I'm gonna rub it in, just like so. You're just gonna make the barbecue sauce for the ribs. I use two. That's 2 little bottles. 1 big bottle. Okay. Alright. We got this ketchup and mixture. Okay. We got half cup of sugar. Okay. Alright, guys. Got some honey. Put your honey in, some simple stuff. Like my stuff's sweet, so I'm gonna put a lot of honey in there. Okay. Alright, guys. Stir it up. Nice and good. Alright, a little bit. I'll start putting some sauce on. Looking good. Look how that. Everything is cooking like that. Put some sauce on it. Let's put the sauce, baby. That sauce we made on the grill. Yeah, we're gonna coat this bad boy with it. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Oh yeah. Don't you wish you was here, man? I wish you had some smell-o-vision. That thing, oh man. Oh God, look at those. Let's put that back over. So I'm getting some crisp. Okay. While we're doing that one, let's slide that one over there. Okay. We got bones coming out. We got bones coming out. Let's put some more of that good old sauce on it. Just dab it so it can build up for me. Just dab it. Dab it, looking good. Okay. Let's cook these bad boys. When we bone, let's cook this bad boy back on that side. Switch to position. Now look on that side, looking good. Okay. This dab on that side. Still nice and saucy. Bones coming out. Tender. Let's just pour it up. Y'all want to see it do a pour? Pour some of that salt on that bad boy. Oh, put that sauce on that bad boy. That sauce we made. Oh boy, that sauce. It's getting all happy and then make sure that thing nice and saucy. I was being scared at first. I ain't wanna forget it. Let's do it. Let's do it right. Let's do it right. Okay. Let's do it right. Oh man. Sauce. No dry ribs over here, baby. No dry ribs over here. Oh yeah. Let's try that thing back around. Get happy back on that side. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's good. That's good right there. There's another sauce pour on these guys. These multiple. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God damn. That's what I'm talking about. It's not like it's gonna be boneless. That's so tender. What's up, guys? This your boy Chef Jamal's Kitchen. We back out here on the grill doing our thing. Let me show y'all what we doing out here, guys. Let me show you what we doing out here. Let me show you what I'm doing out here. Oh man, look at that. Man, look at that. Yeah, we're doing the big out here, guys. Yeah, so one of my favorite foods, ribs, mac and cheese, cornbread, all that. You know, so all that good stuff. All that good stuff. That's what we do out here. All that good stuff. Okay? No games out here. We doing it. Okay? That Smoky Joe. Oh, yeah.